Hey viewer, I have that image for editing, so let's edit the image. We will select half of the image, then apply some filters with that image. There we have the half side of the image. It looks different from the half of the other. Now we will select that part and use the camera raw filter. So here we are going to apply the temperature tint effect and furthermore, so apply on that, make the changes there, and here we will use the channel mixer into it. So that is the actual image we have generated. Thank you for